Are you looking for your dream home? Have you planned for an inspection? You need to know if there are issues so you can make your most informed buying decision. Hiring a professional home inspector to perform a thorough inspection is one way to know what you're getting yourself into when it comes to the condition of the home. The home inspection can reveal expensive problems with the property. With this knowledge, you are able to decide whether to request the seller to pay for or negotiate the repairs or back out of the contract. The cost of the home inspection is a small price compared to the cost of home repairs, which could be a great deal of money, stress, and time. The benefits of a home inspection will help you understand upfront any potential issues with the home. Knowing of these issues allows you to manage them sooner rather than later. If there are issues, you can negotiate them with the seller, and the home inspection findings can help you understand the problems and feel confident that your new home is safe, structurally secure, and not going to require a lot of work after you move in. The home inspection will provide peace of mind, helping to make sure that the investment you make in your new home is a good one.